Have you ever wanted to cut back on the time that you would need to use to look at a process like this? This is an AI process using Make, and as we can see, we have about 16 minutes worth of recording. Well, here's a tip.
There are 3 different routes that this email automate.
This is going to need some support. Now, I want to highlight keywords everywhere. This is free, that you can install into your Chrome or your browser, whatever you're using, Firefox, Edge, etc. What will this do for you? Well, if we go to something like summarization here in ChatGPT, it'll automatically take that information there and give you bullet points. That's great if you want a summary. But you actually want to cut back maybe on the time. So provide a step-by-step guide of the process for my tech support. So there we go, we've got a guide coming in on how your tech support person, or indeed yourself, can actually take this particular content and actually has the prompts as well. So if you're using, say, Claude or Anthropic, you can actually get the wording to use for your particular content, for your team. So if you're using this particular kind of scenario, you may wish to choose to get a step-by-step guide through this particular process, and then you can see what happens. Now, if you like this kind of information, can I ask you please to give us a like, share, subscribe, etc., so that I can actually provide more information like this. So if, for example, it's an hour or so's worth of video and you want the whole thing straightforward, so that whoever you're working with, or if you want to be able to read through the process, this is your solution. And there are many videos on YouTube like this that can be reduced down to those bullet points that you can then follow through, read through, and actually make sure that you have got exactly what you want. I would further add just one additional comment. You will often find that you've got transcripts, etc., and links in here that may well help. My name is John Ferris. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thank you.